The Investigator Integrity and Protection Act, 2PA, serves as a foundational legal and spiritual statute within the evolving governance of the new Earth. Its primary purpose is to enshrine the principles of truthfulness, transparency, and trust as non-negotiable pillars in all investigative matters. In this society rooted in divine order and cosmic balance, investigators and detectives are not merely functionaries of law, but are seen as sacred agents of justice, tasked with uncovering truth for the safety, healing, and harmony of the collective. This act formally recognizes their role and elevates their duties to a realm of spiritual sanctity, where their authority must be met with honesty and cooperative reverence from every citizen. The act criminalizes the deliberate obstruction, deception, or misleading of any licensed investigator or detective engaged in lawful and divinely sanctioned investigative work. Such unlawful behavior includes knowingly providing false information, concealing key facts, encouraging others to lie, or interfering with the flow of investigation. In the New Earth, these acts are considered not just legal violations, but also moral failings that disrupt the energetic equilibrium of society. The intention is to correct the former world's legal flaws, where individuals could lie during inquiries without consequence, unless under oath. Here, the mere act of obstruction is deemed a breach of universal law, with consequences that prioritize restoration over punishment. In alignment with the New Earth's values, the act imposes no monetary fines or commercial penalties. Instead, violators are subjected to non-punitive but spiritually corrective measures such as public or private censure, mandated participation in truth compulsion circles, and restorative truth-telling processes. Severe breaches that obstruct justice in life-threatening or high-impact cases may result in custodial detainment, but only as a last resort. The goal of such measures is never retribution, but soul-level accountability, intended to recalibrate the individual's moral compass and reintegrate them as a trustworthy member of society. This reflects the New Earth's belief that justice must repair, not destroy. Furthermore, the Act reaffirms the sacred status of investigators within this new realm. These individuals are declared as officers of investigative integrity, with the spiritual and legal authority to conduct inquiries without deception or resistance from the public. Their questions are treated as sacred probes of truth, not casual conversation. To lie to them is to obstruct the divine flow of justice and thus to create energetic debt. The Act thus places the responsibility not only on investigators to act ethically, but also on every citizen to honor the investigative process as a moment of spiritual opportunity to align with divine truth. TNT Initiative, our race's universal hope, and the divine headquarters of the 144,000.